everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we built a powerful and stylish data table using ShadCN in our project. Okay, so if you missed that video, I will place the link of that video in the I button. You can watch it before this video. Okay, so but in today's video we are taking things even further. So in this video we are adding the full CRUD functionality to our data table. So this means you will learn how to create, read, update and delete records seamlessly right inside your table. Okay, so first of all I'll just simple give you the demo. Okay, so here you can see I have the data table showing here. So I have multiple functionalities of this data table. So first I'll just simple also filter with the email, and also I can sort it with email. Okay, so also I have this check rows, so I can select the rows and also single row, and here it is showing me the selected rows. Okay, that's it. And after this I have this filter column filter. So from this I can select the filter that I want to view. Okay, so I can select here the column, so I'll just simple unselect this status and it remove it from data table. Okay, so that's how it is working. So after this I have the paginations, and I can have these back and previous buttons. Okay, and now the main thing in it is our CRUD functionality. Okay, so I can just simple first add the record. I just simple click on add and it open the shadow dialog box. Okay, so all this data table and this dialog is made with ShadCN. Okay, so I can minimize it and maximize it. It is responsive also. Okay, so now I'll just simple here add the email, and also I can add here the amount, and then I can select the status of this payment from this drop down. Okay, so I'll just simple click on add payment, and it show me processing and show me this state message. And here you can see my email is added successfully. I can add here more record also. Just simple add here this, and just this time make it pending. It show me processing, and then it show me the uh, record in the data table that we added. Okay, so now other things in it, I we have the update functionality and delete functionality. Okay, so I'll just simple click on these three dots, and I have two options, update and delete. So when I'll just simple click on delete, it delete that specific record. Okay, so I'll just simple click on delete, and here you can see it delete the record. So that's great, amazing. Okay, now we have the last functionality of CRUD, that is update. So when I'll just simple click on update, it open the model. Okay, so when I'll just simple click on this update, it open the model and open that specific record of that row. Okay, in the model. It amazing. Also it open the all the things. Time I have the payment pending in it, and when I'll just simple open the dialog box, it's semi pending here. Okay, so that's great. So now I'll just simple change it here to Unity coding. Okay, and this time I'll just simple add here 5 4 and remove this 0 from here. So I'll just simple change the status to processing, and I'll just simple click on update payment. It show me updating and success message, and it will update this record and add in it processing, Unity coding, and also it update the amount. Okay, so that's it, and it is a responsive table. I'll just simple show you. Duplicate it. Just go to settings, go to appearance and make it dark. And also when I'll just simple make it dark, it also change the change this theme of the table. Okay, when I'll just simple reload it, it make it dark. Okay, and all things are correct. Okay, so that's it. The main features in it that I like the most is When I'll just simple change the theme, it also change the table of my data table. Okay, and one more thing in it, it is also responsive. When I'll just simple minimize it, it make the table responsive. So that's great. Okay, this is our so now this is our demo. So now we can again create this all from scratch. So let's start. What we have to do is we just simple create a new Laravel project, and for this I'll just simple go to my Laravel projects directory where my Laravel 12 projects are. So just simple go to here, and here is my Laravel 12. Okay. So within this folder, I'll just simple create a new folder, and I'll just simple name this as CRUD app. Okay, just this. So now close this and open your VS Code. And I'll just simple open the folder that we recently created, that is in Laravel 12. And within the Laravel 12, we have the folder that we created, CRUD app. Okay, just open this. So you can create this folder anywhere you want and create this project anywhere you want. Okay, that's it. Now we are good to go, and now within this folder I'll just simple create a new Laravel 12 project. Okay, and for creating Laravel 12 project, as you know, we just simple use this command. And after it I'll just simple name my project as CRUD. So you can name your project any other name if you want. Okay, so just this, click on enter. And here it asks me, would you like to install the starter kit? Yes, we are working with the starter kit in this video. So we are working with React starter kit. Just write here React and click enter. Okay. Also we need authentication. So write here Laravel and click enter. Okay. And we don't need any testing. So left this same as it is and just click on enter. So here my So here now it will create my project within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. And here it asks me, would you like to install npm? So yes, we also need it. So right here yes and click on enter. Okay. So that's great. Here you can see my project is now completely set up. Okay. So I'll just simple navigate to my project using this command. Okay, that's it. And for now, just minimize it. Okay. So here, this is my project, and within this project, I have all the files of React Starter Kit in my JS, as you know. Okay. So what we have to do first, okay, we just simple set up our database, okay, and for this I'll just simple go to .env, and here I have this database credentials, uncomment out these, okay, and just I'll use my database name as CRUD React 12. Okay, just this. So you can name your project any you want. Just copy this name. And also I am using MySQL, so I'll just simply need to change this to MySQL. Okay, just copy it and go to config database.php. Also we need to change this here. If you are using MySQL, just change it to MySQL. Just close this, copy this name, come to here, click on new, create database with this name. Okay, so our database is created with this name, CRUD React 12. Okay, that's great. Amazing. Okay, so now we are good to go. But before creating the connecting with the database and running migration, so I'll just simple check it, like just go to database migrations, and within it I have these three tables, but I need one more table in it. Okay, so I'll just simple create a migrations for it, and for this I'll just simple use this command, PHP artisan make migrations, create payments table. Okay, just click on enter. Okay, so it will create the migrations for me. Okay, so just open these migrations and close this. Okay, so within this migration I'll just simple create some new columns in it. Okay, and these columns are this. Okay, Okay, so within the payments I need here the just copy this and paste it here, and this time I have here string, and within this pass email, and make it unique. Okay, just copy it again and paste it here, and this time I have the decimal, and in this I have amount column, and make it like uh, this. Okay, that's it. And after this I have the status of payment, and this is of type enum, and within this I have this s- status, and in it I have it pending, and just copy it, paste it here, pending, and processing, and then success, and then failed. Okay, that's it. So we have just these columns. Okay, email, and ID, and decimal, and table enum. Okay, and after this timestamps. Okay, that's it. So you can change this unique to just simple column, but for now just this. Okay, just close this, open terminal again, and just come to project using this command and just run the migration. And for running the migration we have this command, that is php artisan migrate. Just click on enter, and it will create or run all the migrations. And now I'll just simple go to my database and click on it, and here you can see I have all the tables, including the payments table, and I have all the uh, columns in it. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now I'll just simple run my project, and for running the project of npm and our development server, so we can also run this using composer run f. But for now I'll just simple run here php artisan serve, and here just run npm run dev. Okay, that's it. Just open it. Okay, so it is now showing me the Laravel 12 welcome page, or we can say this as starter kit page. Okay, so now I'll just simple register with the user. Just click on register, and here pass my name and my dummy email. Okay, and I'll just simple pass here. Just copy it and paste it in password and password. Just click on create account, and here you can see it create the account and redirect me to dashboard page. Also I'll just simple show you from here in it. My database name is Laravel CRUD. Just 1 second. So my database name is this CRUD React. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, just open database, and I'll just simple go to users table, and here you can see my user is a sister. Okay, that's it. So now we are just simple start working with the payments page, and first of all we need to add here one more page, and for this just go to VS Code and close this, and now we are just simple start working with first making the view. And for this just go to starter kit, just go to resources JS and go to components, and within the components we have app sidebar.txs. Okay, and this is showing here this dashboard. Okay, so what I do here, I'll just simple copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now I'll just simple go here, and this time I have two dashboards, but we need to change it to payments. Okay, and here also I'll just simple change it to payments. Okay, that's great. Okay, this time I have payments, and also I need to change this icon here because it is same and not looking good, like it is not related to payments. Okay, and for this just go here, that is a Lucid React, and just I'll add here file text. Okay, and just copy this and paste it instead of layout grid. And this time I have the payments and it is related and looking much better than this icon. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now what you have to do is just simple make the nav item side by nav item and just close this. And now I'll just simple come to my pages, and within the pages I'll just simple create a page, and I'll just simple name this as payments dot tsx. Okay, and on this page I'll just simple copy the dashboard code and paste this code here. Okay, so that's it, just close this, just save this. Okay, so now we successfully created the view and add the nav item. So now we need some function and a route that redirect this page. Okay, so I'll show you. This dashboard page is also redirected. Okay, so we need to redirect the payments page, and for this I need a controller and define the function in it and route. Okay, for this just open terminal again, and I'll just simple navigate to project, and I'll just simple create a controller, and for this I'll just simple use this PHP artisan make controller, payment controller, and also I need a model, and for this I'll just simple make a model of payment, PHP artisan make model payment, just click on enter. Okay, that's it, just close this, and now just go to app, HTTP controllers, and here is my payments controller. Okay, and within this I'll just simple define a function. Okay, and before defining function I'll just simple import some necessary okay, so just this. Okay, and after it I have used app slash model slash payment. Okay, that's it, and just copy it, paste it here, and this time I have response. Okay, that's great. So we just simple do this, and now I'll just simple define the function here, and just name this as public function and make it index. Okay, and this time I have used this response here, and within this I'll just simple return and use sha render and make here the payments page redirected. Okay, and within this I'll just simple pass payments, and within this I'll just simple pass here payment all. Okay, we just simple do this, and now this and close this. Okay, we just simple do this and it will redirect this page and render this page, and just save this and go to web.php, and we just simple define the route. So I'll just simple use a route get, and within this slash payments, this URL we define in the nav item of app sidebar. Okay, and use here payment controller class, and within the payment controller we have function that is index, and that's it, we just simple do this, and now I'll just simple import it, use app slash http slash controllers slash payment controller. Okay, that's great, just open terminal, and here I'll just simple optimize it, because I need a new view and a new route. Okay, just optimize it one time. Okay, that's it. Now open browser and go to payments, and I'll just simple come to payments. It is payment, but it does not change anything because we copy and paste all the dashboard thing in the payments page. Okay, so just close this, and now come to pages, payments page, close this. Okay, so I have in the payments page, and I'll just simple change it to payments, and also title URL to payments. Okay, that's it. Now you can see I have this here payments page. Okay, that's great, amazing. Okay, so that's it, we successfully created the payments page. Now we can start working with the first data table, and after it we just simple add in it the operations. Okay, just go to browser, use here ShadCN data table, just open first site, and this is the data table that we are going to create. Okay, so just scroll it down. We follow the documentation along with it. Okay, so it say us that we need to install some dependencies for working with this data table. We need some components. Okay, so first of all I have to install this component. Okay, just copy this, come to project, open terminal, and just come to project using this command and install it. So here you can see successfully add the component in UI tables. Okay, that's great. And now I need to install this React 10 stack. Okay, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, that's great. So we successfully added these two. Okay, just remove, close this and close this. Okay, so that's great. Now we are good to go. And now within it, I'll just simple start working with it, and just go here, and here it is prerequisite, but we don't need to read this. Okay, and here you can see it say me that start by creating the following structure. So we need to follow this structure for creating the data table in Next.js, whether we are working in Next.js or React.js. Okay, so we just simple make it like we have already page.tsx, that is this page payment.tsx. Okay, so we need to create these two page components, that is columns and data table. Okay, just to copy this name, and just go to components, and within the components I'll just simply create a new page, and I'll just simply name this as payments, or new folder, name this as payments. Okay, and within this folder I'll just simply create a new component, that is column.txx. Just click on enter. Okay, that's it. And also I need this, that is data table.tsx, and just come to payment, and this time here. Okay, that's great, amazing. And now I'll just simple here. So I'll just simple working with these three tables, and just first create the data table. Okay, so that's it, and now let's start. So first of all, this is basic table, and let's start by building a basic table. Okay, so copy this code all and paste it in column.txs. Okay, just we are in column.txs and paste it here. So already we have same data columns in our payments table, that is pending, processing, success, failed, email also. That's great. And now just scroll it down and go to data table and copy this and paste this here in the data table. So that's great, amazing. So it is very basic, like some headers and columns in it. Okay, and now after it I have the page.txs. So we page.txs is basically our this payment.txs page. Okay, so we need to add this code in here, but it is like some difficult. So first of all I'll just simple copy the imports and go to here and paste it here. So our these columns.txs and data table.txs is in components and payments folder. Okay, and for this we need to fix the import. So just use here @/components and slash go to payments, and within the payments I have columns. Okay, that's it, close this. And after it I need to add the data table. So @/components slash payments slash, and it is in data table. Okay, that's it. We are good to go. Okay, we just simply do this, and now come here, and it is saying me async function get data promise. So it is static data. Okay, it is working with static data, but we need to fetch our data from database, and for this I'll just simple copy this function. Okay, that is export default function demo page. Okay, just copy this function and just paste this function here. Okay, we just simple do this, and we need to do some changes in it. So I'll just simple copy this app layout breadcrumb, copy this, and I'll just simple add this here. Okay, and also we need to close this and just close this here. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now I don't need this dashboard function, so I'll just simple close this. Okay, and just write this here. Okay, so now we are good to go, and just go to browser, and this time it is not showing because we need to update these async. Okay, and await. Okay, so first of all, we need to change the line of this export default async function to just simple export default function. Remove this word. Okay, and after it it is like const data, and we need to update it like this data slash set data, and after it I need to use here use state, and within this just pass here the payment, and this, and after it just this, and close this. Okay, so we need to do this, and also we need to import this use state here. So just go here and use import here, import use effect use state from React. Okay, so it import these, and after it now I'll just simple go here, and it is now showing me no result. Okay, so we need to fetch the data from database and from our controller, and for this I have this export default function, and I need to just simple change it to posts, and within the post I'll just simple add here this payments. Okay, and after it I'll just simple make it like payments. Okay, and then payment. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this. Okay, and after this I have the const data set data use state payment. I need to pass here payments. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and then now I'll just simple use here use effect, and within it I'll just simple use here set data, and within it I'll just simple pass here the payments, and just close this. Okay, and here just pass payments. Okay, that's it. And just remove this from here and paste it here. Okay, so we just simple do this, and now come to here, and now I'll just simple copy this, and I'll just simple paste this here, paste this here. Okay, and now I'll just simple copy this and paste this here instead of this data payments. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple add here the record in the payments. just go to payments and click on insert, and I'll just simply add here gmail.com. Okay, and this time I have the amount this and status processing. Just click on go. Okay, and reload it, and now it is showing me the record here. So that's great, amazing. So it is working. So we are just simple working with the we successfully show the record from the database. Okay, so just come to data table again, and now we need to add here the more add here the remaining functionalities in it. Okay, so here is my column.txs. So I need to just simple update the header and amount. Okay, so just copy this header thing. Okay, and we need to paste this in amount. Just go to columns, and here I have the amount, and we need to paste this here. Just paste this and remove this. So remove this. Just save this, and now here I have the amount with this dollar sign. Okay, and one thing in it, it bring it to the right side, so I don't need this. Okay, so just remove this text right from this. Also remove this class name. Okay, that's it. And now it bring it back to same position. Okay. Okay, and now we have the row action. So we need to add here the row action for delete and update records. And for this, just go to column.txs. So I am in already column.txs and paste this here. And after this, we need to import these. Just import, copy it and paste it here. Okay, and here I'll just simply add here the ID in the column define payments. Okay, just copy it and paste this here, and now go to here, and it is showing me this here, but it is pretty much look good when I'll just simple bring it to the end. Okay, so I'll just simple control Z and paste this here. Okay, and just close this, and now okay, 1 second, I think we did mistake in it. So here, so I'll just simple paste this here, and now this time it is showing me this here. So that's great. So we need to add add in it later, add and update, add in it the delete and update functionality in this, but for now it is left the same as it is. Okay, and now the second thing we have is pagination. So just copy this and paste it in data table.txs. Go to data table and just paste this here, and after it I'll just copy this and paste this in core model. Okay, so just paste this in here. Okay, so it automatically paginate the our rows into pages of 10. Okay, so you can see the pagination doc. Okay, so for now I have only one record, but it automatically paginated it if I have the 11 records. So I have the query for it for inserting the record, so you can insert it one by one, or you can find the query in the description. Okay, so I'll just simple add here the record using query. So I'll just simple copy my query that is in, I think, G. Okay, so it is my this query with 20 records. Just copy it, and I'll just simple paste this here. Okay, so I'll just simple do this and click on go. Okay, it is saying me primary key, so I'll just simply remove one section. Just click on go and just change it to 11. Okay, just click on go and it add the record here. Okay, now I'll just simply reload it, and now you can see I have the 11 records here. 1 2 3 11 12 record, but it automatically paginated to 10. Okay, that's the thing. So when I'll just simple remove this, and here you can see it add in it more. And when I'll just simple add this, sorry, add here the row core model, that is this, it paginate the record. So that's the thing. Okay. So well, now I'll need to add here the paginations control. So and for this, I'll just simple copy this component UI button in and paste it in data table.txs. So I am in data table and I'll just simple paste this here. And now I'll need to add this paginations control in it. And for this, just copy this div. Okay, so I'll let you know how we can add this. Just first format it and just add this div here and close this. Okay, so I'll need to add here the paginations control. So just copy it and paste it here simply. Okay, just go here and this time I have the paginations control. Okay, that's great. Amazing. Okay, so now we are done with paginations control, and now I have the data table and it is for sorting. Okay, so just copy this and paste in data table.txs. Just paste it here and sorting state and get row sorted model. So 10 stack, just paste this here, get sorted row model, paste this here. Okay, that's great. And just copy this and we need to paste this here. Sorry, I think paste this here in that table props. Okay, just paste this and now I'll just simply add these things in here. Okay, and now I'll just simple come here and just make the header to the cell to make it sortable. Okay, and for this I'll just simple go to columns. It is my columns and just paste this here and I'll just simple make the header of email like this. So it is my email and just paste this in the header. And now you can see I have the paginations control in it. So that's great. Amazing. So we are done with paginations control and now we have the filtering. That is the most important feature in the data tables. Okay. So just go to data table.txs and import these states in the React 10 stack. Okay. So just copy this and just I think we need to go from data table.txs and paste this here and get filter row model, paste this here. Okay, and import this input. Okay, and we need to add this here. Okay, and after it, I'll just simple on column filter change and just add this here and column filter. Okay, add this here column filter. Okay, and now I need to add here the like component for selecting the columns. Okay, and for this just copy this and paste this here. Okay, that's it. So now I have to filter the email here. Okay, that's it. And now I have the visibility. Okay, so it is also very important. So just copy this visibility state and paste it in data table. So data table here, just paste this visibility state here and copy these all imports and paste it here. Okay, and just add this column visibility here in it. Okay, and now just add this on column visibility change in the table. Okay, and just add this column visibility. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now we need to add this drop down. Just to copy this drop down and we need to paste this after filter emails. So I have this filter emails, just we need just format it. I have this filter email and after this I need to paste this drop down. Just go here and this time I have this and I think we need to add this in here. Okay, so we need to add this drop down. We need to add this drop down in the email filter div. Okay, so that's it. So now I have this filter and also I can filter in it email, amount, all the columns that I need and I need to show. Okay, so that's it. And also we need to change it columns to filter and also I need to paste it a bit on left side. Okay, so here I'll just simply make it margin right 2. Okay, just save this and it bring it to the left side and just change it column to filter. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, okay, so now the other thing I have is a row selection. Okay, so it is also very important, so just copy this and paste this in column.txs and paste this here and just copy this and paste it in here in the start and also close this. Okay, and now I have the emails. I have the checkbox to select the rows and I'll select all and also I need to show here the selected. Okay, so for this showing the selected just copy it and paste in data table. Just go to data table and paste this in here and after it on row selection change just paste this here and row selection copy it and paste this here also and just add this in this, that is div. So it is now showing me the row selection here. So also I need to add here the margin left 2. Okay, a bit on left side. Okay, that's it. So that's it. We are done with making the data table. Okay, and all the things in it. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so next thing is first of all, what I have to do is I'll just simple start with deleting the records. Okay, then we can add the record and update it. Okay, so for this, just go to VS Code and we close these, close this, close this. Okay, just go to payments controller and I'll just simple define here the function that is destroy. Just copy this and paste this here and this time make it destroy. Okay, and within it just remove this and I'll just simply pass here the ID. Okay, and here I'll just simply add here dollar payment and payment find or fail and just pass here the ID. Okay, that's it. And make it like payment and just simple delete it. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and after this I'll just simple redirect back. Okay, and redirect back with some status or some success message. Success and add here payment deleted successfully. Okay, that's it. we just simple do this, save this, and come to just quickly to web.php, and here just copy this route and paste this route here, and this time I have this delete, and just use here payment slash id, and make it payment controller class, and our function name is destroy. That is this function. Okay, that's it. Save this, and now I'll just simple optimize it because make the new route and view, so it is good to optimize. Okay, that's it. Close this, and now just to go to payments, and just close this, and also we don't need uh, also we need to go to columns and data table and columns. Okay, just close this payment, and now we need to work in it. In the columns I have this action that is this. Okay, so first of all, I don't need this drop down separator and don't need this. Okay, just save this, and now it updated. Okay, so I need to change this copy payment id to delete. Just simple this, make it this, and after this drop down menu item on click, I need to pass here the function that is handle delete. Okay, just this, and pass in it the payment id. Okay, so we need to just simple do this, and now I'll just simple define this function. Okay, and just scroll it to top, and first import here router, import router from inertia react, just this. And now I'll just simple define the function here simply const handle delete, and in the handle delete I'm passing the id string. Okay, and after this just make it router dot delete, and within it pass the route of the delete id, and after it here I'll just simple add here preserve scroll true. Okay, so it basically prevent full page reload. Okay, just this, and add this comma here, and now we are good to go. Okay, just save this, and now reload it, and now I just simple delete this record that is user2, and just click on delete, and here you can see it delete the record, and I'll just simple use delete this record that is user10. Just click on delete, and here you can see it delete the record. So that's great, amazing. Okay, so that's the thing, and now we need to just simple work with the update. Okay, and for this I'll just simple go here, and this time change it to first update. Okay, and within this, so I'll just simple copy this and paste this here, and remove this update, make it update, and within it on click, I'll just simple pass on click set selected payment. Okay, and within this pass all the payment object and just this. Okay, and after it I need to pass here set edit model open. Okay, and make it just true and close this. And make here this brackets. Okay, so I we need just simple need to do this here, and after this I need to just simple change this here also, that is in this export const columns, and after it I'll just simple add here this bracket, and within it set is model open. Okay, and after it just pass here open boolean. Okay, and make it void. Okay, that's it. And then I have the set edit model open, and init pass same thing, that is open boolean, and make it void. Okay, that's it. And after it set selected payment, and in the selected payment pass this payment, and in the payment just make it small letter, and I'll just simple pass here the complete object of payment, and add here the pipeline null. Okay, that's it. And after it make it white. Okay, and now just this, and after it just use here column payment, and just this, and after it just this. Okay, so we need to just simple do this in it, and now after it we need to define this added payment model. Okay, and for this just go here components, and make here new file, and in this file make it added payment model. Okay, dot tsx. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we just simple do this, and now I'll just simple go to browser, and this time I have the update, but it is not opening. Okay, when I'll just simple click on it, so we need to define this component, and write the code to open the dialog box in this component. Okay, so just do this. So that's it. We just simple write this code and I'll just simple write this extra code. Just save this. So we have completely make the edit payment model. Okay. So now what we have to do is we just simple first of all define the function for this update and then I'll just simple make the route and add this in parent component. Okay. So let's quickly do this. Okay. So just copy this and paste this here and this time I have this update and in the update I have the request and dollar request okay and a dollar ID okay this and now I'll just simple validate my request using this request and now in it I'll just simple add here the email okay and then make it required and it is email okay and just do this and just make it this copy it paste this here and this time I have amount and in the amount it is required and it is of numeric okay just copy it again and paste this here and this time it is status and it is required and in pending and success failed and we have the processing okay we have just these okay and just close this and after it what I have to do is dollar payment and payment find or fail the ID find the ID and then dollar payment and this time I need to update it update within this just pass this here email request email okay and just copy this and paste this two times and then second I have the amount and then I have the status okay that's it and just copy this status and copy this amount and paste this here okay we just simple do this and close this okay and after this return response json okay and in this just pass this as and in the message pass this payment be updated okay just this and add here 200 and just remove this just simple do this and now go to routes that is in web.php and just copy this paste this here this time I have the put and in the put I have the slash payment slash id payment controller and my function is so just make sure it is update just save this close this and optimize it okay that's it and just close this again and come to here and reload it so it is showing me error because I don't add this in the so it is showing me error because I don't add this in the parent component just go to console and that's why this error happen okay so just close this go here and go to pages and this is our payment.txs okay so within this what we need to do is we need to just simple add some things in it and first of all I need to add here just copy it and paste it here and it is import and add it so I'll just simple add here edit payment model and from at the rate components and it is in slash edit payment model just import this And after it, what you have to do is just simple go to export default, and here I'll just simple copy it and paste it here. And in this I'll just simple add here edit model open. Okay, and added model open, and just close this added model open, and make it here set added model open. Okay, and just use here use state, and make it false. Okay, just this, and just copy it again and paste it here, and make it here selected payment. Okay, just remove this. Okay, make it here selected payment, and here just add set selected payment. Okay, and in the use state I'll just simple add here payment. In the use state I'll just simple make this, and pass in it the payment. Okay, and after the payment I'll just simple also add here remove this. Okay, and add here the pipeline, and just add here null. Okay, and add here this null. Okay, so we just simple do this, and make it use state. Remove this. Okay, so we just simple do this, and after this also add this function after use effect. So here I'll just simple need to define the function that is handle update, and within it I'll just simple add here updated payment, and within it pass the payment, and pass here set data, and add here previous data, and after it previous data dot map, and make it here payment, and just add here payment dot id is equal to updated payment dot id. Okay, and after it this question mark, then updated payment, and then payment. Okay, we just simple do this, and now close this, and remove this bracket, and just close this here. And here in the updated payment I'll just simply add this here, and remove the bracket, add the bracket here. So we just simple add this handle update function, and after this just simple need to pass this in app layout. Okay, so Here I'll just simply add this, and it is added payment model, and is open, and in it pass like added model open, and after it on close, and on the on close I'll just simply add here set added model open, and make it false. Okay, and after it payment, selected payment. Okay, and on update I'll just simply pass here the handle update. Okay, just do this, and remove this. Okay, we just simple do this, and just format it. Also, I need to change this div here, that it divs class name container, and within it now I need to pass here column, and within the columns I'll just simply add here the columns, and in the columns I'll just simple pass here set is model open. Okay, and also I'll just to pass here the set added model open, and also add here set selected payment. Okay, and I just remove this. Okay, and remove this bracket, add this bracket here. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and after it I have this data payments. Just save this, and now I'll just simple go to browser, and reload it. Okay, and now when I'll just simple go to update, click on update, it is not opening. I think we have the issue. Just go to console. Okay, so it is saying is selected payment is not a function. So I think the issue is the in the parent component, that is in payment.txs. So here you can see I am passing the three parameters here, but in this I am passing just only two. So that's the issue. So I need to change this. So I need to pass here the empty brackets for the first parameter that we are not using now. So it is data table columns, and make it like this, and just this, and pass this empty for our first that we are not using, and remove this, and just this, and make it data payment. Just save this, and now go here and reload it, and now when I'll just simple click on update, it open the model. So that's great, amazing. So that's the thing, and now I'll just simple click on update, it update the it open the dialog box, and in it open the selected row data, that is user 4, and also it is very responsive. So that's great, amazing. So I'm very happy. Okay, so now before updating it, I need to do one thing, and that is I'll just simple go to my app models, and go to payments, and in it I'll just simple add here the atomic protected fill label, because we are doing the update. So just add here fill able, and in it pass the email, and then amount, and then we have the status. Okay, that's great. Just save this, and close this. And also before doing this, I need to add here in this I'm working with we need to pass the CSRF token. So we need to pass this in plate.php and just add here the CSRF token. Okay. So just copy this meta, paste this here, and this time I have it name CSRF. Okay. And just in the content, I'll just simple pass this CSRF for token. Okay, that's it. We just simple pass this, just close this, and now we are good to go. And just it automatically reloaded when I'll just simple save the app.layout. So it is saying me CSRF token. So I think I'll just simple mess with the spelling. It is CSRF token, and I need to pass this curly brackets here. Just save this again and go to browser, and now it is working. Okay. So now
And
I'll just
now
simple
here,
update it.
when I'll just
Just
simple
click on
click on
update.
update, and now I'll just simple change it to like Unity coding. Okay, and just click on update, and it update the payment, and also it changed the email here. Also, I'll just simple update the amount here to 44, like okay, and also change the status to failed, and its semi payment updated successfully, and also it changed the amount here and status here. Also one more thing in it, I'll just simple when change the appearance to light and go to payments, and when I'll just simple update it like Unity coding to just coding and update it, it semi updated successfully, and also it reload it a bit, and it show me coding at the rate gmail.com. So that's great, amazing. Okay, okay, so now we need to work with the ad. So just go to close this, and just close this. Okay, so we need to just simple go to columns, and here we have columns. I'll just simple go to data table, and within it data table after the email, uh, I'll just simple add here the button, and it is of like uh, button, and variant, and in the variant I'll just simple add here the outline, and give it class name ml2, and just on click, I'll just simple pass on click set is model open, and give it true. So we just simple do this, and pass in it this add, and in this make it like set is model open. Okay, so that's it. We just simple do this, add this in after the email filter, and just go to browser, and this time it add here the button, and that is add. Okay, so after this also we need to import this. So we need to make this also. So I'll just simple make here, just go here, and columns, and we import the table that is in, I think just go to payments. Okay, and just copy this and close this, and go to data table. So we define this button here, and import this also. So this time we have the add payment model. Just copy this, and we need to define this as a component. So just go to components and click on new and make this tsx. Okay, that's it. So just do this, and after it, I'll just simple go here, and we need to add something in the last of the table, that is add payment model, that is here. Okay, just add here add payment model, and first I'll just simple change it to add payment model. Just copy this and come to last and make it add payment model, and this time make it is open, and is in is model open. Okay, and in this on close I'll just simple add here set is model open and make it false. Okay, just do this, and now I'll just simple close this. Okay, and this time here is a it is is open, is model open, and after this on close I'll just simple add here on close set is model open false. Okay, we just simple do this, and we need to add this in data table props, that is in here, that is const is model open, and set is model open. Okay, we need to import this, and then use state, just use state and make it false. Okay, just this. Okay, and I think we did mistake in it. I'll just add here this. Okay, and then I'll just simple add import this use state. Okay, so here just import it, import use use state, and then use effect, and then from React. Okay, that's it. And in the components it is just fix it also, add payment model. So we need, okay, so when we write code in the add payment model, it automatically set this. Okay, so just go to add payment model, and within it I'll just simple write the code. Okay, Okay, that's it. We just simple write this code and now I'll just simple remove this extra code. Okay, that's it. Just save this and now we don't have any error. So what we need to do is we just simple add this in the first make the function for it and make the route for it and just go to payments controller and here you can see I have this function that is update. So just copy this function and paste this here. And this time I have this store and in the store I have just simple request and request and after it I have this request validate and remove this ID. It is just simple unique email and after it we don't need this find id and instead of payment update I'll just simply use this function that is create. Okay, so we just simply create this and after this response json payment added successfully. Just save this. Okay, now close this and I'll just simply go to my web.php and here you can see I have the route, so you can pass this in auth verified or also you can don't even need to pass this. But for now it is good to pass this in auth verified middleware. Okay. So after this we need to define the function that is store and for this just paste this here and I'll just simple define the function of store and just make it post and in the post I have this slash just payments and save this and it is payment controller and my function name is store. Just save this and now I'll just simple optimize it one time. Just come to project and just optimize it. Okay, that's it. So close this and go to browser and just reload it. And now when I'll just simple click on add, we need to add this in parent component that is in our payment.txs and in it I'll just simple add it like this. First go to payments page and here I'll just simple add here const is model open and after it we have set is model open. Okay, that's it. You just simple add this and after it equal to sign then use state and make it false. Okay, we just simple do this and after it I need to import this also, so I'll just simple copy it and paste it here and this time I have the add payment model and just copy it and paste it here. It is add payment model, so I think slash okay just this and after it I'll just simple add this here in this, just copy this add it and paste this here and this time I have add payment model, just copy it paste it here add payment model and it is open and this time I have is model open and after it on close I'll just simple on close set is model open. Just this save this and remove this payment selected payment and just simple save this and also we don't need this on update. Okay, just save this and now I'll just simple go to browser and reload it and maximize it and now I'll just simple come here and just simple add the record. Just add this John and enter the amount and select the status processing and hope it will not give me any error. Just click on add payment and it is saying me undefined variable payment. Okay, so I think we did mistake in the controller. So I think that is this payment controller and it is saying me undefined variable controller. So I think it is because it is not payment, it is the model, that is payment model. And we use this sign. Just save this and now reload it and just add the record again, John, and enter the amount this and status pending and just click on add payment, added semi payment added successfully, and it add the payment here. It is in john@gmail.com in the last of the page. So you can add the show the payments recently created on the top. Also show the recently created records on top also, like this. Just go here in the index function and here we have payments, and I'll just simple use here order by, and in this pass as created underscore add, and within this just add it like the descending order and just get. Okay, that's it. Just save this and just go to browser and I'll just simple reload it, and you can see without reloading it is showing me the record on first that I recently created. So now I'll just simple create another record, that is laravel@gmail.com, and enter the amount, and I'll just simple pass here standing pending and just click on add, and here you can see it add the record on recently created record on top. Also I can go to next page, and also I'll just simple filter the emails. Also I'll just simple filter the visibility of columns. Okay, so that's great. So in the previous video we just simple build the shadow CN data table. So in this video I'll show you the how we can make the uh, CRUD operations with the React and Shadow CN data table component, and we do all the operations of CRUD in it. So I hope you get the concept idea of it. So uh, this is our today's video topic. So in the next video we will see how we can build the blog applications and other management system. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.